Hello children, so welcome to AIMS India's online classes. Today from mathematics subject, real numbers topic we are going to learn. So in today's video, let's see some solved problems regarding the rational numbers and irrational numbers. So the first example, if a equal to 3 power minus 3 minus 3 cube and b equal to 3 cube minus 3 power minus 3, then find the value of a by b minus b by a. Then find the value of a by b minus b by a. Let's simplify the values of a and b first. So they have given that a equal to 3 power minus 3 minus 3 cube. So here 3 power minus 3 means we can write it as 1 by 3 cube, because if we have negative sign in the exponent or power, then we can write it as a denominator and we can take the exponent as positive. So 3 power minus 3 can be written as 1 by 3 cube. 1 by 3 cube. 3 cube how much? 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3 times 27. So 3 power minus 3 equals to 1 by 27. 3 cube equals to 27. Means 1 by 27 minus 27. 1 by 27 minus 27. In the same way, let's simplify the value of b. 3 cube minus 3 cube means 27 minus 1 by 27. So if we write in reverse order, suppose if we have a minus b, if we reverse them, how we can write? We can write minus of b by a. We can take minus common and inside the brackets we can write b minus a. Or if we have a minus b, means plus a minus b we can write first, plus a we can write second. If we take minus common, b, in the middle sign will change, minus a. So a minus b can be written as minus b by minus b minus a. So here we have a minus b, which can be written as minus of b minus a. Or we can make them change their places and outside we can keep minus. But this value is equal to a. So what we will get? b equal to minus a we will get. b equal to minus a. So here they are asking a by b minus b by a. So if we take a by b value, in the place of b we can keep minus a. So a gets cancelled. What is its value? 1. So in the same way, b by a means, what is the value of b here? b is minus a. We can write it as minus a by a. A cancel. What is its value? Minus 1. So first rational number value also minus 1. Second rational number value also minus 1. So minus 1. In the middle we have minus 1. Second rational number value also minus 1. So minus into minus plus. So minus 1 plus 1 equals to minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. Answer is 0. So answer is 0. Like that we can find the value of a by b minus b by a. Next. So here, if 1 by a plus 1, this is the first term, 1 by a plus 1, 2 by b plus 2, second term, 2008 by c plus 2008, third term, the sum of 3 terms is equal to 1. They have given equal to 1. Then what about the value of the sum of these other 2 terms? First term, second term, third term. What is the sum of these 3 terms that they are asking? So here we have to find this value, a square by a plus a square by a plus a, b square by a square by a square plus a, b square by b square plus 2b, c square by c square plus 2008c. In this first element, first term, in the denominator, if we take a as common, so from a square, because a square is nothing but a into a into a. If we take one a as common, another a will be remaining. A is nothing but a into 1. So if we take a as common, what will be remaining? 1 will be remaining. So this first term can be written as a square by a into a plus 1. A square by a into a plus 1. Second term also, b we can take common. So b into b plus 2. In third term also, c we can take common. C we can take common. C plus 2008. Like that, we have taken here a, here b, here c are taken common. Again, in the numerator we have a square, in the denominator we have a. After cancellation, in the numerator a will remain. Denominator a gets cancelled. Numerator a will remain. Here also, numerator part b will remain. Here also, numerator part c will remain. So we can write a by a plus 1, b by b plus 2, c by c plus 2008. But here, in the given hint, there is no a on the top numerator place. 1 is there. Means we need 1. We need 1 in the place of the numerator. So what we can do, as we need 1 to this a, we can add 1, we can minus 1. So what happens? Value does not changes, but we will get 1. Here in the numerator part, we have 2. So here we need 2. What we can do? 2 we can add, 2 we can subtract. Here also, in the numerator we have 2008. But here we don't have 2008. So here we will add 2008, we will minus 2008. Like this, we will change the numerator. Because if we add and subtract the same number, the value does not changes. The value does not changes. So now how we can write? So now this a plus 1 minus 1, it can be written as a plus 1 as one group minus 1 as another group. By we are having a plus 1. By we are having a plus 1. This numerator part can be divided into two groups. A plus 1 minus 1. So what we will get? A plus 1 by a plus 1. Cancel. First value will be 1. Next, what is remaining? Minus 1 by a plus 1. 1 by a plus 1. This a plus 1 cancel. We can write 1 here. Minus we can take in the middle. We can write 1 by a plus 1. Next here. If this is one group, this is other group. B plus 2 cancel. 1 will remain. In the middle we have minus. 2 by b plus 2 we can take. Here also. This is first group. C plus 2008 cancel. 1 will remain. Minus in the middle. 2008 by c plus 2008. Like this we can write. Now this 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 3. Equals to 3. Here we are having minus. Here we are having minus. Here we are having minus. In these three terms, if we take minus common, then all will become positive. 1 by a plus 1, 2 by b plus 2, 2008 by c plus 2008. So what is this value? This value they have given as 1. So instead of this total term, we can keep 1. So what is the answer, children? 3 minus 1 equal to 2. 3 minus 1 equals to 2. So next. If 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, like this up to 9 cube, equals to 2025. So then find the value of 0.11 whole cube, 0.22 whole cube, 0.33 whole cube. Actually, we should not call 0.11. 0.11 we have to pronounce. 0.11 cube, 22 cube, 33 cube, 44 cube, up to 99 cube. What is the value that they are asking? So given that 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, up to 9 cube equals to 2025. 2025. Now we want to find 0.11 cube, 22 cube, 99 cube. But 0.11, if decimal is removed, it can be written as 11. It can be written as 11. Actually 011, but left side 0, it doesn't have any value. So simply we can tell 11. But after decimal point, we have two places. Means we have to take a number, 2 zeros number. Means 1000. So we can write it as 11 by 1000. Sorry, 11 by 100 whole cube. 11 by 100 whole cube. In the same way, 22 by 100 whole cube. Like this, 99 by 100 whole cube. Like this we can write. But in this 22 we can write it as 11 into 2. 33 we can write it as 11 into 3. 99 we can write it as 11 into 9. 11 into 9. Means here if you say, 1 minute children. Actually this 22 we can write 11 into 2 by 100 whole cube. What does it mean? 11 by 100 whole cube into 2 cube. 11 by 100 whole cube into 2 cube. Suppose if you have 33 cube, how we can write 11 by 100 whole cube into 3 cube. Here into 9 cube. First one also 11 by 100 whole cube into 1 cube we can write. So this can be written as 11 by 100 whole cube into 1 cube. This can be written as 11 by 100 whole cube into 2 cube. Next one can be written as 11 by 100 into whole cube into 3 cube. Like that last one 11 by 100 whole cube into 9 cube. So in all the terms 11 by 100 whole cube is common. 11 by 100 whole cube is common. So if we take 11 by 100 whole cube common, so in the first one 1 cube is remaining, second one 2 cube, third one 3 cube, last one 9 cube. But what is the sum of these terms, all these cubes? Already in the question they have given 2025. So in that place we can keep 2025. 11 cube means what is the value? 11 into 11 into 11. 11 times 121. 125 111 times 1331. 1331 into 2025. So downside we have 100 cube. Means 100 into 100 into 100. 100 into 100 into 100. So numerator part 2695275. We got this. So downside how many zeros we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means this we can write it as 10 power 6. We can write it as 10 power 6. So what does it mean? If this number is divided by 10 power 6, after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places, we can keep a decimal. We can remove 10 power 6 and we can keep a decimal point after 6 places. Means 2.695275. Like that we can write. Or if we simplify, fourth place is 2 up to 3 decimal places. If you want to write, as the fourth place is 2, it is less than 5, no need to count it. So we can tell 2.695. Like this we can find the answer. Next, example 4. Find the value of 35.7 minus 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 we have to find this value. We have to simplify step by step. We have to simplify step by step. So here 35.7 will be taken as the same, but here this part 3 plus 1 by 3, 3 times 9 plus 1, 10 by 3. In the denominator we are getting 10 by 3, means 1 by 10 by 3 we are getting this part. So this 3 will go up, this will become 3 by 10. This total part will become 3 by 10. This downside part will become 10 by 3. But 1 by 10 by 3 means 3 will go up, 3 by 10. In the same way, this part 2 times 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. But 1 by 5 by 2 means 2 by 5. That part will become 2 by 5. Next, still simplification. 10 3 times 30 plus 3, 33 by 10. 33 by 10. 5 2 times 10 plus 2, 12 by 5. 12 by 5. If we divide 33 by 10, 1 0 we are having. After one digit, we have to keep a point, 3.3. 12 by 5. If we divide, we will get 2.4. So if we add these two, this is plus. If we add these two value is 5.7. These two sum is 5.7. Minus 3.3, minus 2.4, minus 5.7. So minus 35.7 minus 5.7. So answer is 30. In this way we can find the answer. Next challenge. If A plus B plus C equal to 3, AB plus BC plus CA equal to 673 ABC, then find this value. We have to find this value, the given value. Okay, children. So here, so first we have to find this value. Here A into B square plus C square. A into B square plus C square means how can we write? AB square plus AC square. AB square plus AC square by what we are having? ABC. ABC. If we consider only this part means if we separate AB square by ABC plus AC square by ABC. So A cancel, 1B cancel, in B square 1B cancel, numerator B will be there, denominator C will be there. Here A cancel, 1C cancel in the numerator part C will be there, denominator B will be there. So B by C plus C by B. B by C plus C by B. So this part we are getting if we simplify this part. If we multiply and divide by ABC like this part is equal to B by C plus C by B. In the same way, second part. What is second part, children? B into C square plus A square by ABC. B into C square, BC square by ABC plus B into A square, BA square by ABC. BA square by ABC. So B gets cancelled. Upside C square, 1C will remain, C by A. Here B gets cancelled. A square A, 1A will remain in the numerator. denominator c, a by c. In the same way, this is second one. In the same way, third one also, a by b by b plus a will come. Okay. Now same denominator. If we take these two, we have same denominator a. Here also a, here also a. Here c, here b. These two, how can we combine? B by c, b plus c by a. B plus c by a. C plus b is there. We can write b plus c. Now these two, denominator b is there. Denominator b is there. What? C plus a or a plus c. A plus c. Now these two, denominator c is there. B plus a or a plus b. A plus b by c. Means we have grouped the rational numbers which are having the same denominator. So this a became into one group, bb denominator became into another group, cc denominator became into another group. 3 groups. But okay, so b plus c. So but what is b plus c value? We know that a plus b plus c equal to 3. So then what is b plus c value? B plus c is a will go that side. We can write 3 minus a. So this can be written as 3 minus a by a. B plus c by a can be written as 3 minus a by a. If we separate, what we will get? 3 by a minus a by a, or 3 by a minus a cancel 1. A cancel 1. Means this can be written as 3 by a minus 1. Second one can be written as 3 by b minus 1. Third one can be written as 3 by c minus 1. 3 by c minus 1. So okay. Next. So if we take 3 as common from this 3 by a, 3 by b, 3 by c, if we take 3 as common, they will become 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by c. 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by c. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 equals to minus 3 will be kept separate. Okay. Now LCM of ABC is ABC. So here A is remaining. So A into BC equal to ABC. So here we will get BC. So B into AC, ABC. Here we will get AC. C into AB, ABC. Here we will get AB. Or we can add in any way. After taking LCM, if we change their order, what we will get? AB plus BC plus CA. That will be the numerator. Denominator will be ABC. But here AB plus BC plus CA equal to 673 ABC. If ABC comes this side, by ABC equal to 673. So this value is equal to 673. So 3 into 673 minus 3. If we multiply and remove minus 3, we will get the answer 2016. Okay, children. Next. So by what number should minus 3 by 2 whole power minus 3 be divided so that the quotient is 9 by 4 whole to the power of minus 2. So let the number be x. Means if the given rational number divided by x, the quotient is 9 by 4 whole to the power of minus 2. But here we are having minus in the power. When we have minus in the power, we have to write 1 by minus 3 by 2. 1 by minus 3 by 2 whole cube we can write. But this 2 will go up. What we can write? Minus 2 by 3 whole cube we can write. Or for rational number, if we have negative power, the rational number simply we can take it reciprocal. The rational number reciprocal we can take and the power will become positive. So minus 3 by 2 will become 2 by minus 3. 9 by 4 will become 4 by 9. 9 by 4 will become 4 by 9. But here 4 they have written as 2 square. 9 they have written as 3 square. So actually this is 4 by 9 whole square. 4 by 9 whole square. 9 by 4 reciprocal is 4 by 9 whole square. But 4 can be written as 2 square. 9 can be written as 3 square. So that's why they have written like this. Now here also power positive. Here also power positive. Okay. Next children. Next. So here 2 by minus 3 whole cube divided by x equal to, here 2 square means 2 square means 2 times 4. 2 power 4 we can write. 3 square means 3 power 4 we can write. 3 power 4 we can write. Now what happens? We have to find the value of x. X will go here. This will come here. This will come here. X will go here. So that's why we can write minus 2 by 3 whole cube divided by 2 by 3 whole to the power of 4. Because this is coming this side. X is going that side. Or if we change division into multiplication, then again power will become negative. Power will become negative. If division converted into multiplication, power will become negative again. Instead of plus 4, we will be having minus 4. Now here also 2 by 3, here also 2 by 3. But here power is 3, here power is minus 4. Suppose if we have a power m into a power n, bases are same but powers are different. What we will do? A power m plus n. Powers we can add directly. So minus 2 by 3. What are the powers here? 3 minus 4. Powers are added. So 3 minus 4 means minus 2 by 3 whole power minus 1. If minus 2 be removed in power, what we have to do? Reciprocal we can take. Minus 3 by 2 we can take. Like that we can find the value. Okay children, these are the solved problems on real numbers. In next class we will be discussing about the worksheet. So that's all for today children. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates. Thank you. Have a good day.